Hello.
Hello.
So
these are our fidget spinners. Wait, we should introduce ourselves first, shouldn't we?
yeah. So this is Sis versus Bro challenges. I'm Fletcher.
And I'm Amy. But if you've seen the channel Sis versus Bro on the other channel, you might think we're copying. No, but we're not. We're really not copying.
So today we thought we'd do our verse video and show you our fidget spinners.
Yep, these are our
So
boring
these
old
are-
fidget spinners.
Yeah, normal fidget spinners.
Psych. I got 3 actually. This is my second one.
My one's from France.
And wait, this is from Pitsy. This is from Buzzard.
Yeah.
This is from Buzzleton. You can't see it, can you? This is from Buzzleton. And this one is from Pitsy.
My one is from France. It's made of like 3 swords, but I call it Illuminati.
And mine looks like an ordinary square.
Doesn't spin too fast.
Mine does. But actually, if you look really close, really close, like you can see bugs, like the wasps, the wings and the body and all that. And this moves.
So, we're going to do a fidget spinner challenge
Oh, are we? I never knew.
to see whose fidget spinner is the fastest.
But how are we going to do it on carpet?
So,
Oh, it works!
we're going to go up here,
I could do sitting on the big chair.
onto the side, put our fidget spinners down.
So guys, let's just give... Hey, point the camera at me. Hey guys, let's just give a recap. Mine, and Fletcher's. So, the first challenge is going to be this one versus... Where's your black one?
Wait, go get it really quickly.
Okay, bye guys.
She is going to get my fidget spinner now.
Versus Fletcher's black one, right, set.
So, get ready to start, Evie.
Hi, man. Okay, ready? You spin yours.
No, you've got to spin both.
You can, yeah. Fletcher's is the winner.
Yeah, I think I won that one.
Yes, because I can't find the caps for mine. Second.
My one versus the Batman one.
Batman!
Right, go on in, place yours down. $10 later. Okay, so Avi's one was always going to win that, so I might as well have just stopped it.
And last.
Next is mine again versus Avi's bee wasp thing
Off we go.
from Pitsy. Alright. Oh, you actually got it off the table.
Sorry, guys. Ow. Oh, no, I need to spin it better.
Can't get it in the right position. There we go.
Every time you do a video, this little guy pops up. Yeah? He always does, yeah?
Okay, my one lost. Avi's one. So,
Hello.
really? Really? He's not even in the camera. You're stupid. This guy will be popping up in every single video we make. So if you spot him, comment down below and like the video. And also, subscribe.
Bye.
See you in the next video.